YouTube, welcome back to my page. It is Nia Nicole. Today I have a special guest. B.
What's up, guys? I'm so excited to be here.
But so yes, we're gonna go ahead and cut to the chase. I know y'all like online shopping, looking cute, feeling lovely.
Shopping without the hassle, all
Yes,
that noise.
you know, like nobody can deal with Forever 21 anymore. Like first off, that store gives me so much anxiety. There's like stuff all over the place. Like, what is
Never have it
that?
in the size you want either.
Exactly. So, you know, but we're gonna put y'all on game. Y'all already know about it because they took over. Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova, these shorts, Fashion Nova.
I actually don't understand why it's Fashion Nova, but we about to be.
Yeah. But okay, we wanted to do a Fashion Nova haul of, you know, daytime outfits, nighttime outfits,
Club outfits,
Just-
everyday outfits, hobo outfits, whatever.
bald head hoe outfits. Let me stop. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel below, please. And please make sure y'all subscribe and follow B. Tell them your @ name.
It's at _queen_bit on Instagram.
That. And she is going to be making a YouTube page pretty soon. So she has one, but she has not put any content on there yet.
We'll put that in a later video when I come back.
So,
you know, something like that.
Yeah. But alright, y'all. We are about to do the first outfit. It is going to be a night out outfit.
Ooh.
So. I just want to say thank y'all for watching this Fashion Nova haul. It has definitely been a hot journey. It's been so hot.
Real hot because the
Moving and trying on clothes is like
Yeah.
the hardest thing
And,
you can do.
you just see what's edited, but behind the scenes, I'm like, get the next outfit, gotta get going. Okay, how my hair look? No, but then
My head
you know,
don't fit.
but then we look real cute like this.
Yes.
For y'all.
But again, please subscribe below.
Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Her vlogs are lit.
Yes. And again, my name is Nia Nicole. My @ name for Instagram is @__ 2 underscores Nia _Nicole. So __ Nia _Nicole.
My @name on Instagram is @the_queen_bit. BIT, like little bit, or the past tense of bite, or the first 2 letters of the word bitch. Whatever helps you remember it. The_queen_.
But thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And shop at Fashion Nova. This is not a paid partnership at all. They don't give me
Fashion
free
Nova
clothes.
sponsor her though.
But they do give us discounts that I really appreciate. So, you know, Fashion Nova, pick your girl up. I'll make some videos, you know. Look, hey. little something. Bye, y'all.